Parliament in Lok Sabha, Dr. Angomcha Bimol, who also serves as chairperson of District Development Coordination and Monitoring Committee (DISHA), visited various relief camps opened at Kwakta, Santhong and Bishnupur district and interacted with the internally displaced persons (IDPs). During his visit, Dr. Bimol inquired about the living conditions of displaced persons and listened to their grievances. He assured the camp residents of his support and expressed concerns over the prolonged crisis that has left many people homeless. As part of the visit, the MP also inspected Moirang Multipurpose Higher Secondary School, one of the oldest government educational institute in the state, established in 1948. Dr. Bimol noted with regret that the school infrastructure has remained largely unchanged since its establishment, despite its historical importance. During interaction with the school's teachers and students, it came to light that the teaching staff have been facing severe difficulties due to irregular salary payments. Despite this, the teachers continue to perform their duties, knowing that the students will be waiting for them. He also highlighted that although there is general perception that government schools are inferior, Moirang Multipurpose Higher Secondary School has consistently produced toppers and continues to attract students who queue up for admission every year. Expressing deep concerns over the school's neglected condition, the MP appealed to the government to take urgent steps for its repair and maintenance. He warned that if the aging building collapses, the question of responsibility will arise. Dr. Bimol appreciated the dedication of the school community and stated that he would extend all possible assistance from his side to support the school's improvement.
Angang ay dong ngai le dong ngai chahi ma phaning se tolo phang da yaw ri ai sin akhoi si bibom mamne adu gi yeng la ko kozam theng ne usi retire to do re ye sidai se 1979 tamak ko ne ye aina satli ore ngai dei urak ko school je oza ore retire to go chap mana building structure sab lai re ai sin ano wa sa ma ni se ura ma am to na si da sabna sale na we asigu ma se accountability in sang ya se mayam su khabar suna discussion ni kam de public let the public know RCC haiba building se matak kupi basi da nong juraga kele ineba adu tawdana hujidi matak ta jingana loin kupa lai re basi angang mayam singo ningai ko kai tawro se angang si ansi na to kana na dai ta blog do no basi sarkar pai bi muso tar ga de se investigate tawbiu journalist mayam so si kana na sa no kamai tawri no ai bagi sigu ma se tawanda na yare ge section mam pai ko koi gi Manipur masa mai te patta banate am the dedicated ro ko ma puchen sa officers am lai akhoi jo furu ko moi na mi mari ba ki tawning ba fa ba tawning ba pai ge le no officers adu moi gum se namjan laga namthat pam taw sigu ma se tawanda na yare ge section mam pai ko state ki through the kai ngamba ko na kai taw ya ba ko ya si school de kankadan se